I just got this wireless microphone to help me get the audio better on my product reviews. So getting ready to open it up, so I figured I'd show you, do an unboxing real quick so you can see everything that it comes with at the same time that I find out. Okay. I can find the edge of the box here. Oh, here it is. So you can see how it sits up top. So fold it open, and then you have this little packet here. Have some stickers. Your manual, packing list, those type things. And then under that, as you can see, the actual products here. So take that out. Gives you a good close look here at the case. And you can see that obviously you have the little charging contacts there, so it charges when you have it in the case. And here's where you charge the case at, right here. Let's set this down. I'll show you, this is the part that will plug into your phone as the receiver. So you get two of those. And then down here, you have a nice storage bag or carrying case that I assume has a charger in it. Okay, so this is the part that goes onto your microphone to block the wind. Of course, here's your, looks like your string here that you use to hook onto it for carrying, I believe. What else is in here? It looks like another piece for your microphone, just like one of these. Might be a different size. And here's your USB, it's a USB-C charging cable. Another adapter. Let's turn this inside out. It's kind of cool, so you can see you have kind of a little pocketed type area there to keep things separated while it's closed. Right, and that's it. Thanks.